Good morning guys, and in front of me is MOTOROLA Edge 70 Fusion, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources. So first of all, let's open the settings, then find and select apps. Okay, so here they are. Scroll down and mark special app access. Here go to install unknown apps and just pick the one that you want to give this permission to. So let's go, for example, with Chrome. Mark that you allow from this source, that you allow install of unknown apps from Google Chrome, and then just go back. Obviously you can give this permission to any other app of yours. Just mark it and give this permission smoothly by using the indicator. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.